So here we have the star puzzle, and it's asking us to trace the star shape by using the repeat blocks. So let's take a look at what we have here. I know I'm going to have to use a repeat block, but the first thing I want to do is test how far do I need to go. So if I look down here, I see that my spaceship is starting on 300 and it's ending on 600. That's a difference of 300. So I know I'm going to need to move forward 300 times. I know a star has 5 points, so I'm going to choose to repeat this program or this code 5 times. And I know that it's not a 90-degree angle. It's 144 degrees. So let's take a look. And there you have it. Hopefully that helps you solve this puzzle.